A tree was broken due to storm, and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Solution. According to the given problem, due to storm the tree was broken and top touches the ground. Let initial height of the tree, that is before falling, is equal to AD. B. Be the breaking point, which implies height of the broken part is equal to BD. The broken part is BD that touches the ground at C, which implies BC is equal to BD. Angle of elevation of broken part of the tree with the ground is equal to angle BCA is equal to 30 degrees. Distance between the foot of the tree and top of the tree on the ground AC is equal to 6 meters. From the triangle ABC, we know tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by AC. We know tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, which implies 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by 6, which implies AB is equal to 6 by root 3. We know cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So, cos 30 degrees is equal to AC by BC. We know cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, which implies root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by BC, which implies BC is equal to 12 by root 3, which implies BC is equal to BD is equal to 12 by root 3. Here, BD is nothing but the height of the broken part. So, the total height of the tree is nothing but the sum of broken part and unbroken part's height, which implies AD is equal to AB plus BD, that is equal to 6 by root 3 plus 12 by root 3, which is equal to 18 by root 3, that is equal to 6 root 3 meters. Therefore, the height of the tree before falling down is 6 root 3 meters.